Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Yujing. Today we will use the function offset, scale, stretch, group, ungroup, copy and array. So in this video I will teach you how to use this function. So let's go to AutoCAD. Okay, we need to draw a line first and use function offset. Just type it or you can click here. Offset and choose the distance you want. Select object. Okay, see like this. And its function offset. Now we learn scale. So we draw a rectangle. Okay, rectangle right. So we use scale or just type lah. Select object, click right mouse button. A point will appear. So what we need to do, just click here to move. Okay, like this. It will become more bigger. It's the function scale. So now we learn stretch. Stretch macam mana? Select object first and it had keluar stretch. So select. Okay, it will become like this. Is stretch. So now we learn group. Use okay. Enter and do a line again. Enter. Okay. It's 4 lines yang different, right? So we need to group them. Select them first and start group. Okay, here become a rectangle. Or you can click here. Now we need to do ungroup. Macam mana? Like this. Select and type ungroup. Okay, it will become like different. Yeah, like before this. Okay, is ungroup and group. So now we do the array. So we move to modify object. Okay, see this light, right? So we need to lengthen it first. How to lengthen? Select. Okay, it's lengthened. Now we offset this. Type offset. Okay, select distance 100. Enter. Enter. This side is different, right? So we need to draw a line at here. Okay, enter. So now we need to do array. Rectangular array. Before this, we need to mention its distance first. How to? So 10. Exit and use mention distance from this to here. Okay, 1968.5. Remember it, and we use this distance to do the array. So rectangular array. Select object. Oh, before this, sorry, we need to do the group if first. So type group, select object 1 1 and 1. Okay, enter. It will become like this. See, right. So we do array. Select distance once. Verify column we choose 4 and rows we choose 1. Okay, like this is rectangular array. So we need to copy this chair in here. So how? Like this. Need to click this chair and move this point to here. Okay, done. And array again. Select 1, distance like before. Okay, enter. It will become like this. Sini kosong lah, kita boleh pilih 5 lah. Enter. Okay, it will become like this. It's rectangular array. So we now learn polar array. So how? We use this. Select, prepare, copy. Okay, right. Select first and use polar array to here. Okay, like this. This polar array. You can change here like this. Okay. So we now learn path array. So what we need to do? Click this chair, move here. Okay, just get. Okay, here, and we need to click each chair first and click path array. So you got this. Oh, there's a mistake. Sorry, we need to draw a line first, like this, and this. Okay, see, right. We move again at here. Okay, and click again this first and click path array and choose this path curve. Okay, yeah, because like this. This is path array. You can change here like this. Like this or like this. See, right? Differentiate. Okay, is path array. Now we have to learn breakpoint. How to do? Cancel first and pen and zoom. this. Breakpoint. Breakpoint we need to modify. Here is breakpoint. Select object. Here and here. Okay, it's breakpoint. And we do again at here. Breakpoint, modify, breakpoint. Here. See right. Use again. Modify. And here. 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 Okay. Again. Here. Here. Like. Okay. This is all for today. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.